Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today, Simone is creating this quick and easy penguin face paint for us. To start out, we have white by Diamond Effects. It is the essential white, and with this Simone creates a line from one end of the eyebrow until the other, and then she creates the face of our penguin. So it's kind of half a heart shape, and just paint the entire thing white. Once that white is on there, we continue to black, because obviously a penguin has white and black, and with this you create a half a circle above that heart shape you just created. Paint that black, and there is our penguin's head. Onto orange for a nose, and this is the dark orange by Superstar. Black eyes, obviously. And then it is time for his head and his scarf. The purple used here is Purple Rain, also a color by Superstar. And just by putting a few lines over each other, you get a very cute head. Also the same color for his scarf. And now all the basic shapes are on there. It is time for an outline. So just get yourself a detail brush and the Essential Black by Diamond Effects and take your time to really outline all the features of our penguin. A few white highlights. Obviously some teardrops. Some stars. And some dots. And with the Special Lavender by Superstar as a lipstick, our penguin face paint for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.